powerful hydraulic excavator gathers abandoned motorcycles into massive piles, preparing them for the next stage of the recycling process. Every motorcycle is carefully inspected to identify reusable parts, remove hazardous materials, and prepare the steel for efficient recycling. Powerful hydraulic grapples load tons of scrap motorcycles onto heavy trucks, transporting them to the next stage of the recycling process. Fully loaded trucks arrive at one of America's largest motorcycle recycling facilities, where thousands of abandoned bikes begin their transformation into valuable recycled steel. The scrap motorcycles are unloaded into the factory's receiving yard, where they are organized and prepared for the first stage of the recycling process. Heavy-duty conveyors move the scrap motorcycles toward the inspection line, where every unit is carefully evaluated before dismantling begins. Mix low bits. Before dismantling begins, every motorcycle is automatically drained of engine oil, fuel, coolant, and other hazardous fluids. Robotic systems safely remove batteries, fuel tanks, and other hazardous components, ensuring every motorcycle is clean and ready for efficient metal recycling. Advanced automated systems sort every steel component by material grade, ensuring maximum recycling efficiency and producing high-quality raw material for new steel manufacturing. Gigantic hydraulic shears cut the motorcycle frames into smaller sections, preparing the steel for efficient shredding and recycling. Precision cutting machines slice the thick steel tubes into uniform sections, creating the ideal size for efficient shredding and high-quality steel recycling. A giant industrial shredder tears the steel into smaller pieces, creating the ideal raw material for efficient melting and high-quality steel production. Thousands of shredded steel fragments leave the industrial shredder every minute, forming a continuous stream of recycled raw material ready for advanced metal separation. Powerful magnetic separators automatically recover pure steel from the shredded material, producing high-quality recycled steel ready for the melting furnace. Advanced eddy current separators recover valuable aluminum, copper, and other non-ferrous metals, maximizing material recovery before the steel enters the melting process. AI-powered optical sorting systems remove the last remaining contaminants, producing ultra-clean recycled steel ready for high-quality melting and new steel production. The purified recycled steel is stored in massive automated bunkers, ready for precise batching before entering the melting furnace. Automated conveyors deliver a continuous stream of clean recycled steel to the furnace charging system, where precise material control ensures efficient steel production. Automated weighing systems create perfectly balanced furnace batches, ensuring every melt produces consistent, high-quality recycled steel. High-speed robotic arms automatically remove the front and rear wheels, preparing each motorcycle for the next stage of the dismantling process.
Automated tire separation machines remove the rubber from every steel rim, allowing each material to be recycled through its own dedicated process.
Powerful hydraulic robotic systems remove each motorcycle engine with precision, allowing the steel frame and engine components to be recycled separately. Automated robotic systems remove the front forks, handlebars, and steering components, allowing each material to be sorted for maximum recycling efficiency. Robotic systems separate seats, plastic bod panels, and lighting components, allowing every material to enter its own specialized recycling stream. Advanced automated sorting systems separate valuable aluminum components from steel, maximizing material recovery and improving recycling efficiency. Clean steel frames are automatically stacked and organized before moving to the cutting line, ensuring a continuous and efficient recycling process. Every steel frame undergoes a final automated contamination inspection to ensure only clean, high-quality steel enters the next stage of the recycling process. After passing final inspection, the clean steel frames move automatically to the cutting department, where they will be prepared for the steel recycling process. Inside the electric arc furnace, powerful graphite electrodes generate intense heat, melting recycled motorcycle. The recycled steel has completely melted, forming a blazing pool of molten metal ready for refining and alloying. A robotic oxygen lance injects pure oxygen into the molten steel, removing impurities and producing cleaner, higher-quality recycled steel. Automated slag removal separates impurities from the molten steel, leaving behind clean, high-quality metal ready for the final refining stages. Advanced digital analysis confirms the exact chemical composition of the molten steel, ensuring it meets strict specifications before casting begins. The refined molten steel is carefully tapped into giant ladles, preparing it for final temperature control and continuous casting. Automated control systems precisely adjust the molten steel temperature, ensuring ideal casting conditions and consistent structural steel quality. Continuous argon and electromagnetic stirring evenly distributes heat and alloying elements, producing molten steel with exceptional consistency and structural quality. The refined molten steel is now perfectly conditioned and positioned for continuous casting, where it will be transformed into new structural steel products.